guys. Yes, noong 2017, I wrote a prayer. And the dream, always to pray to God. Lord, sana makapag-travel ako and sana makita ko ang napakagandang creation mo. Kalimutan ko, maging busy ako, especially with my academics, at pangarap kong maging doktor. Actually, I gave it my all. Then praise God, nakagraduate ako on time. But pagkatas ng graduation, I felt lost. But si God, meron. He remembered the prayer I forgot. And in November 2024, first up, Hong Kong, my first ever country. Akala ko, travel ko for fun.
Pupunta na ng Disneyland.
But God had a purpose.
Yes.
Para sa
Welcome.
for His glory. And what made this extra special, nakapunta ako sa Disneyland. And yes, this is the train to Disneyland. So, ang pinaka-special is I was with my mom. Yung dating nangangarap lang manood ng Disney TV, ngayon, she's living her prayer too. At bonus pa, marami kaming nakasama. Here's the twist. Dream ko sumali ng marathon. First ever long run ko, not in the Philippines, but in Hong Kong. So, grabe si Lord, no? Sobrang dami niya palang kayang gawin. Sobrang dami niyang kayang ipakita. Pero hindi pa dyan natatapos ang kwento. Next stop is Macau, the Vegas of Southeast Asia. Pero aminin, parang Europe vibes. Simula sa mga architectures, talagang masasabi mong parang nag-time travel ka. Siyempre, ang inaabangan ng lahat is ang fruit is everywhere. Gutom kang papasok, pero busog kang lalabas. Siksik sa pagkain, siksik sa ganda ng tanawin. From the ruins to the Londoner. And also, syempre, to the Parisian. Diba? Para ka talagang nasa Paris. And of course, ang magpapahuli ba ang 5-star Palace Resort Hotel, the majestic Grand Lisboa. Pero hindi pa pala doon nagtatapos. March 2025. Hello, Singapore. Where nature meets city. Actually, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong country na puntahan. Pero higit sa lahat, dito ko mas nakilala si IMG. Through this journey, through this team, and especially through Coach Xuan Yen, na-realize kong pwede ka palang mag-travel habang ginagawa mo ang purpose mo. Kailangan mo lang talaga. It's simple, yes. Yes to God's plan, yes to growth, yes to purpose. And I'm just here, writing it, living it, and sharing it to you. This is my answered prayer, and this is God's glory in motion.